So the next question on regenerative endodontics is, which scaffolding material has been considered particularly useful based on the researchers in endodontic regenerative clinical setting? That's a question they've asked. Okay, due to its ease of preparation, it's very easy to prepare. Autologous means it's taken from the patient itself. Okay, and many other added advantages. We're going to see some of them. Okay, in comparison to other scaffolding materials. Now we studied there are two types of scaffolding materials. I'm not going into the details of it. One is the natural and the other one is being artificial kind of or synthetic kind. Okay, and you can see here all of these are in the options. These are scaffolds. Basically, what is the purpose of the scaffold? It acts as a base, isn't it? It's a kind of a three-dimensional matrix. It acts like, and what happens is, or what you can do is, you can see the stem cells growing here. Okay, and you will also see the growth factors being released into the space from different that is if at all we want to add additional this growth factors and all. And two very important growth factors we studied, as I've told you, is VEGF and PDGF, isn't it? That is vascular endothelial growth factor, platelet derived growth factor. Okay, now so this acts as a matrix, three-dimensional. Now what it's saying is, which has got an additional advantage? The answer is platelet-rich plasma. One major reason, okay, this is all these which I've told you is autologous, okay, and it is easy to prepare, and all those are advantages. Plus, you can see that this particular growth factors are very high in this PRP, platelet-rich plasma. That is 3 to 6 times higher than many other scaffolding materials which provides a growth factor. Okay, so it's 3 to 6 times higher. This in itself is an MCQ. Okay, in the PRP you have got 3 to 6 times more this particular VEGF and PDGF. Okay, that is the advantage. Now, is there any other advantage? Definitely, as I've told you, two very important advantages: ease of preparation, autologous from the patient itself, and definitely higher number of growth factors. Another advantage is it is biodegradable, understandably. Okay, we'll come to more details of this.